Hey, how's it going everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Magnesium, the audio player, to basically turn YouTube into your personal music library. So to start off, you're going to need to open up a terminal and install Magnesium. And you can do that with just sudo snap install Magnesium. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's going to mount and download and everything. And once I do that, I'm going to look for Magnesium in my app launcher and start it up. So it'll take a couple seconds to open up, but once we see it, we will be able to get the app going. So when the Magnesium application first starts up, it's just going to say nothing playing. From here, you can click on the playlist button, and you can go ahead and add a YouTube URL. So there's a song that I've had stuck in my head for a lot lately, Dire Straits, Money for Nothing. So I'm going to add this to my playlist, and to do that I can just press enter on the keyboard, and I can also add as many songs as I want. So if I go out and find another one, so the song that I just added starts playing instantly, but I can also add as many songs as I want, and you can also do this with playlists as well, excuse me. But you just add it and it'll add it to the song here, and it'll skip to the song that you want to listen to. It works with most YouTube videos. It might not work with everything, but you know, that's how that all works. If you want to do this with a playlist, you can do it as well. I've had some trouble with playlists in the past with Magnesium, but yeah, it might be coming through on my mic actually, but that is how you set up Magnesium to use as your music library. I highly recommend checking this out, especially if you just want to listen to a YouTube song once in a while. You don't want to download it or deal with anything like that. It's definitely worth it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.